Happy Friday, I'm KHOU 11 meteorologist Kim Castro. Happy Valentine's Day. This evening for your dinner plans, I think you're pretty good to go. Yes, it'll be cloudy. Yes, it'll be cool. But I think most of the shower chances that we have this afternoon start to wind down. So plan for 55 degrees from 5 onwards. Maybe you see a little bit more of that moisture condensing and you pop up to 57 by 8, but that's it. We're just going to stay in the 50s. Hey, all that moisture that's streaming in from the Gulf is going to lead to reduced visibility, so don't make it a late Friday night. Visibility drops down to half a mile or less at Bush Airport during the overnight hours. Same deal for Sugar Land, for Richmond. Galveston stays foggy all through tonight and even into tomorrow. So if you did have plans to head to the island, it'll still be nice, but you won't be able to get that nice shot of Pleasure Pier because it will be pretty clouded over. Okay, here's a look at future track. I think the highest chance for you to see some showers on this Valentine's Day will be between 3 and 4 o'clock. Notice after that, we take a little break from the shower activity. I'll stop the clock there at 9 on your Saturday. Most of this green, I think, is going to be the fog. That's the moisture that's being picked up by future track radar. Isolated shower prefrontal is possible, but the main line actually doesn't get here until the afternoon. So if you had plans for 2, 3, 4 tomorrow afternoon in Houston, I'd say go ahead and try to postpone those just in case. Now, most of the energy from this front is going to die down here and ramp up to our east, but I don't want you to be caught off guard just in case we do see 1 or 2 of those stronger storms. We are flagged under a level 2 threat for our north and eastern counties. Harris County has the lowest threat. It's just a 1 on the 1 to 5 scale. Notice the higher threat moves towards Louisiana, towards Mississippi, and even into Alabama. I do want you to at least keep this time frame in mind, though, even though we don't have the bullseye threat here. Isolated storms do happen, and the highest likelihood of that is going to be, again, between noon and 5 o'clock. That's when I'm issuing a weather impact time frame. So here's water vapor imagery, and you could see the spin better yesterday, but I still want to show it to you. That's the low that's moving into the Four Corners that's going to push in this front right here through our area on Saturday. Notice lots of the energy moves away from us, just out of the viewing area, but there's still a couple of spots that have some brighter reflectivity. So I want you to be aware at least that on Saturday we will be picking up some storms. Not a lot by way of rainfall totals, though. I think maybe 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch area wide. So don't suspect any issues with ponding or local street flooding or anything like that. This is a pretty fast moving storm. Okay, check out temperatures for today. It's chilly across the Heights, Rutland Street 49 degrees, Bel Air, Hawley Street 50 degrees. The clouds are going to make it hard for us to hit this high of 58. The spots that do see a couple of breaks in the cloud cover could make it up there. Don't worry though, plenty of heat coming in tomorrow ahead of the line of storms. So high temperatures are going to be warming up tomorrow, 78 degrees. Behind this front though, behind that 60% chance for showers and storms, look at how those temperatures tumble. We'll be in the mid 50s, and we are not done just yet. In fact, look at the temperature outlook for the following week, February 20th to the 24th, we are tracking well below average temperatures, not just here in Texas, but for the eastern half, actually, I would say almost the entire nation, aside from the westernmost coastline, the Pacific Northwest down to California, some of the desert Southwest too. The rest of us are going to be tracking temperatures that are tumbling down due to this Arctic air mass that's going to be dipping in next week. Okay, for the 7-day forecast, we have a little bit of a roller coaster from today to tomorrow. Notice that temperature spike. Behind that though, temperatures stay fairly cool. So morning lows are going to be in the 30s both Sunday and Monday. Notice high temperatures are moderate. So mid 50s to around 60 degrees. We'll warm up for Tuesday morning. And then on Wednesday is when we track our next cold front, and boy is that one going to be cold. Look at Thursday's temperatures. Morning lows are going to be sub-freezing in the 20s, and those high temperatures will only make it into the 40s. Keep up with the forecast. Make sure you download the KHOU 11 app, so if I do see any alerts pop tomorrow, I can send them straight to your phone.